Yeah, so as you say every day that what you do is you are a scalper, that you want to scalp. Yeah. I found something good for you. Yeah, this tool, me, I've really used it. I've used it before, it's good. It's good for scalping, And if you are also the one following the trend or the long trend that you just need entry along a long trend. Yeah, this thing is also very good. You understand? I'm on the page of this called the Forex Shark. It's only used for entry, okay, and exit, as you can see what it is, okay. All the red dots for selling, 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 okay, buying, buying, and it does it. Yeah, it does it. I have it. I've used it. I'm still using it, but because of the knowledge and the experience, yeah, I don't have too much tools with me these days. But this is, good with the alert it makes, you know, and the fact that it will give you the signal at the main point of entry itself. It's like a pin bar. So if you know you are a scalper, or you know that you don't have access to get any tool that can show you when to get in and get out of any pair you are in, I think you need to come to this page. Okay, I will put the link under this video. It's called the Forex Shark. Okay, you will see the link where I say go and get the Forex Shark. This is it. It's good for entry. It will even show you what you are supposed to be doing by showing you if you're supposed to be thinking of going down or maybe on the up direction. You understand? Especially if you are the type that watch one of my video where I said trading Forex with moving average. Trading Forex with moving average, where I put a kind of CCI in it. If you are the type following that CCI, then you will know what type of entry point you're supposed to be taking when you're taking this type of shark. You understand? You should come to the page and see it by yourself, okay? But then the bonuses you're going to be given when you get the product, these are the bonuses. This ebook, PDF, Forex. Anybody, I know you Forex guys, boys and girls, you like all this free PDF stuff. So here you are. You got all of them. Okay. All right. So for this product, just check under the link below. Check under the link below. The name is Forex Shark. Okay. It's good for scalping and it is good for entry along a long trend. All right. So take care. It's just a short video. Thank you.